Right, so as we said, this project was actually a 3D printing project. So how do you 3D print? And this is how easy everything is to 3D print. So all you do now is you go to Make. Okay, you go to 3D Print. Now, make sure it's not Send to 3D Print Utility, otherwise your computer might crash. Okay, ignore all this. Medium's fine, it should be on medium. It's going to select each component that you've put in here. So you have to do them one at a time because each part will be printed out separately. So start off with the head, click on it, click OK. Okay, save this somewhere in your documents. I don't know, maybe you make a new folder called Lego Man. Okay. Yeah, because I've already made one called Lego Man. Let's try that one again. Let's rename this as Lego Man Today. Okay. Okay, we open that up. We're going to call this one. So make sure you identify them. Head, maybe your name afterwards. Okay, save. And then I'm just going to click a couple more. So do the same thing. Make for each one. There's my leg. Okay, let's click same thing. Click OK. Leg 1. Okay, I can do one more. 3D print the hips. Select. Okay, call this one hips. Okay, click save. All right, now this is the program we're going to use, Cura. So go into your thing and type in Cura. Okay, but I've already got one open. This will open. This is a year 11's project who's learned how to do what you're doing, and he's 3D printing all this for an electronic project. So let's just delete all of that. Let's just go delete. Delete. Yours will come up empty. Okay. Now all you'll do, yours will come up open like this. Now the controls on this are the mouse button to zoom in and out, and the right button, if you hold it down, will spin round. So the first thing we're going to do is open a file. You just need to go into your documents, find the folder you've just made called Lego Man something or other. What do I call it? Lego Man Today. And you can select all your parts at once. If you hold down the left click and select them all and click open. This has now put all our parts straight on the 3D printer. Okay. Now, the way to do it, imagine a 3D printer prints in layers from the bottom up. So you might go all the way up. So we need to move these so that they print as easy as possible. So what I mean is, say I've got these holes here on the leg and I've got a gap underneath. So basically, if there's a gap, you have to do what's called a support structure, and it'll make a little scaffolding to print in midair. I'll show you in the lesson. If you come and see me, I'll show you some parts. So if we click on it and click rotate, I'm going to rotate that so it's flat. Okay, that'll print a bit better. I'm going to do the exact same thing with my head. So I'm going to print this round. Oops, wrong way. Which one do I want? I want that green one. Give me the green one. And I'm going to print that so it's 90 degrees and it's sitting upright. Okay. With the hips, I'm going to press the right button, spin it round. I'm going to click on that. Okay. And I'm going to print it that way, I think. Is that a good idea? It's probably the best way to do it. Or, in fact, I've changed my mind. I'm going to print my hips so they're there. Now, hopefully it should move everything for me. And that's it. That's all ready to be 3D printed. You'll want yours, because we need to be a bit faster, to be light. Okay. You'll want it, just making sure nothing's touching anything, that's not. You want to make sure they're all close together so it prints quicker. You want print support structure, normal quality, and you'll notice it tells you exactly how long it'll take to print each of those. Okay. If I double click on this, and I've changed it to my name, Paulson. Okay. Now, all you need to do is not, if you save to file, okay, wherever you're going to save it, I'm going to save mine back in my Lego Man one today. Okay, save. It saves as an STL file. Save. And if you email that to me, we can 3D print all your parts out. Okay, only the people who've got everything finished will get all their parts 3D printed out, because there's so many of you, it's going to take a long time. Okay.